Welcome to today's episode of the Kitchen Prescription YouTube channel. Today I'm making these healthy 3-ingredient popsicles. They're perfect for a hot summer day. Best part, no added sugar. I've partnered with Pressed Juicery and I'm using their Strawberry Basil lemonade along with fresh strawberries and ripe sweet mangoes. Let's get started. You will need about 10 to 12 large strawberries and 1 large mango. Slice your strawberries and mango. Reserve about 2 tablespoons of the mango pieces to use later in the recipe. Add the mango and strawberries to the blender. Had a little whoopsie. Next, add 3/4 cup of the juice and blend until smooth. Transfer your mixture to a liquid measuring cup and add the reserved mango. You can get the full recipe on my website and learn more about Pressed Juicery in the description below. Freeze until set. When ready to eat, simply run under hot water for a few seconds, loosen, and enjoy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. All the YouTube things. See you in the next video.